It's at Hilltop Executive Center. Huh? We're gonna switch and get the other car because the other car is actually a little different. So there goes that one. And oh my God, the fan up here is so loud, and for what? Anyway, I think that's a Simplex 2909, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong though. At least the light plate is. There's a, what the hell? They got a Spectral P2R slapped onto a Simplex light plate down there. Strange. Is it coming? Yeah, it's lit up. Just barely. Yeah, this one's a bit bigger. Trying to see into the shaft of the other one a little bit. You can see the ventilation. That's pretty dark other than that though. Oh look, Liftomatic elevator company. All right, down to one. Chimes. Wow, that leveled actually pretty quick, right up to 2. I like that. Get a look at the COP. Capacity is 2,000 pounds, 3,000. What? There's a rear door open that doesn't work. Odd. I like that little lantern they got there. Anyway. There they go. Or there it goes.